Built in the early 1900s, this historic home has a commanding position right on top of the hill with great views out to the ocean. This is the original residence of Mr. Taubman, the creator of Taubmans Paints. The new owners of this home have bought it because of its historic character, but they do need to change it to suit their modern lifestyle. I'm already coming up with some great colour concepts for this home. I know I'm going to continue the dark timber flooring, so it's going to give me great contrast. One of the best parts of renovating a home is actually having the ability to change the floor plan, to look how you move within the space and if the rooms work the right way for your family's needs. This is a very small bedroom, and because the bathroom upstairs on this level was small and pokey, we've decided to turn this bedroom into a bathroom. There's so much rich timber detail in the home, the doors, the highlight windows, skirting and architrave, and of course I want those to stand out so I can go white on those finishes. But because there's so much natural light, maybe the walls can go a little bit darker than I might normally go. Well, it's all hands on deck today, or should I say all hands on veranda. The new veranda has gone up one level. It's allowing access from the front two bedrooms, which were normally bay windows, and now they're going to be French doors out to really capture those amazing views. And because we want to be sympathetic with the original architecture of the home, of course we're replacing like with like. So those new timber shingle details are being added, and it's coming together beautifully. So let's take a walk up those brand new stairs and take a look at what else is happening. The architectural features on this house are a standout, both inside and out. The colour palette of this facade has to suit both the historical requirements and of course its coastal location. However, the great thing is that we can come on site during the renovation and witness all of the changes. This means that some of our original concepts might also change along the way. So this is the shed that Mr. Taubmans used to mix his paints in and work in this space. There is also an issue, and this is part of renovation, and these walls are asbestos, so the builders are already getting a certified company in to remove this. It's going to be safely taken off site. This whole room now, at this stage, we're planning on V-grooving it so we get some nice texture in this space and play with the height of the room because it's not massive. We've still got the beautiful character of the stained glass windows there, and we're going to keep that little fireplace. Now, it's not a working one, but it's all about character when you're dealing with a period renovation, so that's going to stay in there. Of course, I couldn't pass up having a swim coming here to Manly to check on this amazing house. The water temperature is perfect and the house is looking pretty perfect as well. The updated front veranda is looking so good, just like the entrance to historic Yuggawai should look. And painting the trims and features white will ensure they are brought back to life. Selecting the perfect internal wall colour is really important as the light changes so much from one room to the next. Luckily for me, I love this creative time. These clients are so invested in this job, this renovation is definitely a collaboration, involving regular meetings on site. One major component of this renovation was replacing the leaking and damaged roof, which is allowing for a new loft space, which of course requires new stairs. Back in my studio, it's time to have a final play with the external scheme. The old facade had become yellow and blue over time. It was looking dated and really tired. The trick here is to create an external scheme where the range of finishes and textures all complement each other, while still working with both the clients and the heritage requirements. This will involve some on-site brush outs, allowing the clients to be 100% happy. We're installing a lot of new sandstone on this project. This is to replace the existing retaining walls and front fence, which have been damaged and cracked over time. I'm working from the floors up, where the great condition of the existing timber boards has allowed me to convince the owners to stain them in a deep brown black. To make sure these bathrooms look as character-filled as the rest of the house, I'm really excited to look towards patterned floor tiles, I think in a dusted blue. The clients also want to carpet the stairs, but I'm not keen on that choice, so I've parked that conversation for now. Of course, not every day is a sunny day, even in seaside Manly. But as you can see, those new slate look roof tiles are now on, and the property is watertight. Luckily, the builders can crack on with the interiors. As with most things in life, preparation is key to a quality finish, and this has been especially true on this job, where original finishes fuse with the new. This is a labour of love. Well, we're just getting the last little details done now. The sandstone's going on, and last bit of all that important painting. The facade is looking amazing. This renovation is almost complete. I'm so excited. I can't wait to share it with you.